Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening from wherever you are watching from. What is up, you guys? Welcome to today's video. I am so excited because insert name here did a collab with Barbie. And they sent me over 2 of the products from the Barbie collection. They do have a bunch of other products, and I do have a promo code for you guys. It is Alvarez. They're nice enough to send me their 2-in-1 hair styler. So this little device not only straightens your hair, but it can also curl it. I was amazed by it. I did just use it. I wanted to do a get ready with me type style video, and I wanted to do it based on random facts, because random fact that I have is my dad used to travel when I was a little kid, and he would bring me back Barbies. So I have so many Barbies, and I still have them to this day. I think I probably have like 100. They're locked away in like a airtight container, but your girl was obsessed, like obsessed with Barbie growing up. So obviously I needed to check out this collection. So again, shout out to them. Thank you guys so much for sending it over. That is what today's video is. You're gonna learn random facts about me while I get ready and show you how amazing this styler really is. So without further ado, let's get right into it. This is what we are working with. Yes, my hair is kind of wavy, curly naturally. I haven't put any product in it. I just got out of the shower like 2 hours ago, so it is pretty much dry, but it is also still a little bit damp. But this is what it looks like. I have never opened it, so we're gonna open it together. First off, the box is so cute. Like the little detail that they put on the box is adorable. This is what it looks like. How pretty. It's so cute. I love the design of this. Look at how pretty. I love it. It's good quality too. It's not like those cheap straighteners. I am so interested in that. And then it also comes with a glove, and there's also these like cute little accessories, which I will show you guys in a little bit after we do my hair. But first and foremost, we need to plug it in. It has the on, and you can control the temperature. It took me a while to find it because it blended in, but it goes up to 450, and it's just heating up right now. You can see how fast that this is heating up. I personally put it at 450 just to see how far it would go up, but I am gonna lower it. I'm intrigued by the shape too. I don't know if you guys can see, it has this curve to it. First things first, while that heats up, I am gonna section off my hair. I am just gonna grab this really big scrunchie, which was actually from insert name here also. They sent it to me a while ago. I'm also just gonna brush out my hair. This is like one of my favorite hair brushes. Again, also from insert name here. And it says brush your worries away. Alright, so we're just gonna start straightening my hair. I just want to do like a kind of chit chat, get ready with me type video. I don't really do those videos on my channel, but I know there are a lot of new subscribers here, and I just want to tell you guys fun little facts about me that maybe even some of you guys that have been subscribed for a longer amount of time don't know about me. So number 1 is my hair is wavy. I know a lot of people probably didn't know, but yeah, I have naturally wavy hair. My mom has very like thick ringlet curly hair. It's so pretty, but the more I straighten my hair, the more my curls loosen and don't hold up its shape. So I do like straightening it more also because I don't know how to tame my hair. Like it gets frizzy, it gets puffy. Wow, this is actually working so good. Like this is so good. And it just feels so weird to me still though how the shape is. I do have 2 other jobs. So I do content creation, I waitress, and I also have a work from home job. So your girl is busy. When I say I'm busy, I'm busy. Like I'm trying to juggle all 3 things, but it's still very fun. This is working so well. I am a Gemini. I also have an older brother who is 5 years older than me. He is also a Gemini. I call him my twin. He's not like my actual twin. We were not born the same day, but we are both Geminis. Fun little fact about me. My mom's gonna laugh when she sees this video and watches me tell this, but when I was younger, I want to say like 15, maybe when I was like 15 years old, around there, I got my parents to stick me in the trunk of our car because and drive home, because I was genuinely curious to know what it would feel like if somebody just you know, knock on wood, it never happens. Like, knock on wood that it never happens. But I was genuinely curious to know what it would feel like in case it ever happened and like what to expect. And yeah, one day, I think it was Home Depot. We were either at Home Depot or Canadian Tire with my mom and my dad, and I don't know, I just brought it up. And the thing about my dad is he is so funny. Like, he's always down to do everything. My parents are both very, very supportive with what I want to do, and this instance just proves that. So yeah, I was just like, I want to go in the back of the trunk. It's just up the street from the house that we live in. It was like an 8-minute drive, so it was nothing crazy. And my dad agreed, and my mom was still a little bit like, I don't think that's a good idea. How are you gonna do that? No, she was like embarrassed about it, but my dad was like, you know what, let's do it. Get in the trunk. There's nothing else in the trunk. And so yeah, your girl, literally in this parking lot, my dad opened up the trunk, and it wasn't an SUV where the trunk is attached to like the back seat. No, this was like separate. You would have to pull down the seats, which we didn't pull down the seats either. So it was literally me, little old me, stuffed in the trunk. It is so weird. Like, I can still remember it very vividly to this day. It's like you know the path. Like, I know where we were. I knew what the road was supposed to be like and all of that. And I just could not figure it out for the life of me. Like, I was trying to kind of picture where on the road we would be, and I just couldn't figure it out. But my mom also told me afterwards that my dad was doing a bunch of random like turns and stuff, so that explained why I couldn't figure it out. What else? Another thing about me is I was born here in Canada, but both my parents are from Guatemala. They were born and raised in Guatemala, and then they immigrated over to Canada, where my brother and I were born. I do, however, know how to speak Spanish. I am fluent, so I can speak it, I can understand it, I can read it. I just struggle a little bit with writing in Spanish, but reading, speaking, and listening, understanding, I am fluent. Look at that. Okay, this is working so well. It's only been 7 minutes and I'm almost pretty much done. I just got the last piece. I have been with my boyfriend for almost 8 years. December 13th will be 8 years that I have been with my boyfriend. Fun fact, we had our first date November 16th, 2014, and we started dating December 13th, 2014. So our anniversary is 12/13/14, which I really like, and I think it's really cool. My boyfriend is also from Guatemala. His whole family is from Guatemala, and he was in fact born there also and immigrated here when he was younger. Honestly, I love having a boyfriend that has the same culture as me, and his family has the same beliefs and background as us. It makes it really nice, and I just really like that. I graduated university 3 years ago. I don't even know, it's been so long, but I had a COVID graduation, so I didn't even graduate. I didn't get to walk down, like, you know, the graduation ceremony thing. I didn't get none of that because it was during COVID. Everything was locked down, and they kept saying they were gonna postpone it, and then they eventually just said, you know, nah, you guys aren't getting that, we're not doing it, we're just gonna ship you off a little box. And I got like this really shitty, not gonna lie, graduation box. At least it had my diploma in it. So yeah, your girl graduated university for health management, but ultimately I do want to pursue something in social media. So I did go back to learn a couple courses a few months ago, like 2-3 months ago now, and I got a social media management certificate and also a social media marketing certificate. Okay, look how easy, like I don't even have to think about straightening my hair. I know everybody also has different techniques on straightening their hair, and I'm just kind of doing whatever, going random pieces, but this thing is so cool, and still the shape of it is so interesting. I have a dog. He is 13. He is 13 years old. I can't believe time has flown. Like, he is getting so super old. I've never had fake nails. Like, that's one thing that a lot of people think, that my nails are fake. I have never ever even had press-on fake nails. Like, when I was younger, my mom would not let me have fake nails or go to the nail salon and get, you know, those like nails that extended or anything like that. Like, these are always just my natural nails. I don't even put like gel builder or anything. Like, I use $3 nail polish from the drugstore for my nails all the time. I'm very simple. But yeah, I've never, not even for like prom or graduation, none of that, I have never had fake nails on my nails ever. The first time I ever painted my nails, I'll never forget this because I was very excited about it, and I was at a sleepover when I was very young with my friend. My mom didn't let me paint my nails at a very young age, but at the sleepover my friend got a bunch of nail polishes and her mom let her paint her nails, and so we painted our nails during the sleepover, and I did like a cotton candy color where it was like light blue pink, and it just went all around, and I just remember being so excited to show my mom. And the one thing that is another thing about me is you will most likely never ever see me with chipped nails or like picking off my nails without taking them off completely and redoing them, because that was one thing my mom taught me when I was younger, that if I wanted to start painting my nails, that is like a promise that I made to her, was that if it ever chipped, that I would have to take all of them off and redo it, or just redo that one if all the other ones were okay. So that is something that I have carried with me this entire time. And speaking of my mom, another thing that probably a lot of you guys don't know is I actually have a matching tattoo with my mom, which is a heart, and I actually got it on my 21st birthday. And I went with my mom to get this one. My boyfriend drove us, and that was the first tattoo I had ever gotten. I was very scared. I was 21 years old. My mom was just like, you know what, let's do it, whatever it is what it is. We went, we got it, and then the next year I really wanted this rose tattoo, so I got this tattoo, and my parents did not know. I tried hiding it for a little, and then they did see it. They weren't the happiest with me, but also they kind of realized there was nothing I could really do about it because it was on my skin. And that is one memory that just makes me kind of laugh. Like, I'm sorry mom and dad, I love you guys so much. They're okay with it now. My mom actually really likes it, and you know, it's cute, so they got used to it. And I'll tell you a fact about my dad. Let's see, because I told you about my mom, but my dad, when we actually got my dog, he was like, no, you can't get a dog, no. And this day will forever be in my head. But basically is when we got my dog, we were all outside. I think we were having like a garage sale in my neighborhood that day, and my dad was just like, go get him before I change my mind. And he said that to my brother, and I just remember breaking out into tears. Like, I was sobbing, hysterically sobbing for the arrival of this puppy. It was a little border collie. That is my dog that I have now, a little border collie. I just wanted a dog. I had been begging my dad for a dog, and my brother picked the breed. My dad ended up picking the name, but I just wanted a dog. I did not care what kind of dog it was. I did not care anything. Just bring me a dog home. And we were planning this for a while. My brother and my uncle were looking into dogs, and they found this one, and that's why we were kind of pushing it more and more. My brother was like, this is the dog. We found him. We really want to pick him up. Like, he's available today to be picked up. He has all his shots. La 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 la. And my dad was just like, no. Anyways, the day comes, and my brother asks again about this dog, and literally my dad was like, go before I change my mind. And my brother and my mom got in the car. They had a blanket, and it was like a 2-hour drive for them to go get this puppy. Oh my god, like, I can cry thinking about it right now. Like, getting that dog, like, the best day of my freaking life was getting my puppy. Like, I love him to pieces. But anyways, those are the random facts. I have already finished my hair, as you can see, and like, I didn't even have to think about what I was doing or anything. That was the best and smoothest. Like, look at that. And my hair, y'all, that was actually so good. Actually, before I turn it off, I'm gonna turn it back on because I want to see how it curls. I'm just gonna curl one piece, and I'm gonna keep the rest straight. We're gonna grab this piece. How do I do this? I don't really know. I think I just want to do the ends. Let's try the end. Did that work? It did! Wait, that's cute. I don't know how to curl my hair with a straightener. I usually use a curler, which they also have a really big curler that I really want to try out, but that was actually good. Now that I showed you how the styler works, we got to see what accessories they sent over. This is the Totally Iconic Accessories Kit. It comes in this cute little case. There's a cute little Barbie logo. How cute. And I love that it comes in this container because you can always just store it in there. These clips are so cute, especially to do makeup, to just hold your hair. Are they snap clips? They are. I swear I used to have clips like this when I was a kid. This purple one is beautiful. It's like a lilac purple color. And then there's a blue one and a yellow one, which again, I'm gonna put that on my hair. Wow, I love these clips. These clips are so cute. Ta-da! Obviously I wouldn't wear it like this. I mean, like, you could. There's also these really cute hair ties that have the Barbie logo on it. With these hair ties, right away the first thing I'm thinking of is doing that like bubble style hairstyle. I think even a half up, half down kind of do would look cute. You know, obviously with the bubble one, I suck at doing the bubble one. I've never done it, but I think that'd be super cute to have all those hair ties. Last but not least, it includes these really cute, teeny tiny butterfly clips. Super tiny. For these, I feel like it's very cute when people just put them scattered. Like, look at that. But you get the point. People do it a little bit better. Thank you so much to insert name here again for these amazing products. Again, you can use code Alvarez for money off your entire purchase. I will have everything linked down below. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!